Home survival on a budget made easy. We're taking a look at the LimpTech wireless doorbell. And what makes this one unique? It doesn't take any batteries. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, first things first, this was given to me to do a review on. Now, I'll have the Amazon link down below. I got the one receiver, one button. They do have for one button, one receiver, G2, two receivers, one button, two remote buttons, and one plug-in receiver. So they have different combinations, different things you can get. But for this was $25, which I think is rather reasonable for a wireless doorbell. And it has a flashing light to it. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. Please ring bell. That's kind of cool. Give you a little sticker for the front door. 3M tape. It does look like you mount with screws also. Looks like a simple installation. Plug the receiver in. Press the doorbell button. Shows you how to mount it. Screws, tape. You can add delete codes. No battery, eco-friendly. Okay, let's go ahead, plug this in, see what it sounds like. Now, one thing I like about this already, there we go. Plug it right in and it works. That was super easy. And it's quite loud. I like the flashing light, you know. If you have the music up, you can see that, you'll know somebody's at the door. Now, it's easy to adjust the volume and ringtones. The one side is your ringtones. The other side's your volume. And it has a mute with just a flash on it. That way, you know, if you have a baby sleeping or something, you can still know the doorbell is ringing by the flash. Also, what I like about it, if you look at the size, it doesn't take up the whole outlet, it just takes up the one plug. So overall, with just short time period, I had it like just a few minutes out of the box. I have to give this a solid 5 of 5. It's ease of use, it's price. The quality seems good. It has it's heavy plastic. It doesn't feel cheap. Solid 5 out of 5. I'll have a link down below in the description box in the comment section. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.